Welcome to our channel, Ufa Tech and Tricks. Have you ever wondered what it's like to have the power of artificial intelligence right at your fingertips? From answering questions to writing content, solving problems, and even chatting like a human. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Lightbulb in this video will break down what ChatGPT really is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future of AI. Putting powerful tools in the hands of everyday people like you. Get ready to discover how this technology is changing the world. Let's dive in and explore how ChatGPT is not just smart. It's the future of AI in your hands. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer a futuristic dream. It's here, and it's transforming our everyday lives. One of the most powerful and accessible examples of this is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. But what exactly is ChatGPT? How does it work? And why is it considered the future of AI in your hands? Let's explore. Globe with Meridians. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model created by OpenAI. It's designed to understand natural human language and generate responses that feel conversational and intelligent. Whether you're asking a simple question, writing an email, solving a math problem, or generating creative content, ChatGPT can do it all instantly. Think of it as your personal assistant, tutor, writer, and brainstorming partner, all rolled into one smart AI tool. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is based on a machine learning model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It has been trained on massive amounts of text from books, websites, articles, and more. By analyzing patterns in language, it can predict what words or sentences come next, enabling it to understand and generate human-like responses. The latest versions, like GPT-4 and GPT-4o, are even more powerful. They can handle complex tasks, understand context better, and even process images, audio, and video in some cases. Robot face. Why ChatGPT is the future of AI. What makes ChatGPT special is its accessibility and versatility. Unlike many AI tools that require technical skills, ChatGPT is user-friendly. You just type your question or prompt, and it responds instantly. It's being used in education, helping students learn and write, business, drafting emails, creating marketing content, automating support, coding, writing and debugging code for developers, creativity, generating stories, poems, social media posts, and more. It's not just a chatbot, it's an AI partner that adapts to your needs. Locked with key. Is ChatGPT safe to use? OpenAI has put strong safeguards in place to prevent harmful content. However, users should still verify facts and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. Like all tools, ChatGPT is most powerful when used responsibly and thoughtfully. Mobile phone with Aero. The future in your hands. As AI continues to evolve, tools like ChatGPT are becoming more deeply integrated into our daily lives. From mobile apps to desktop tools and enterprise solutions, ChatGPT is setting a new standard for how humans and AI interact. The best part: you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, the future of AI is now in your hands. Conclusion: ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. A future where knowledge, creativity, and productivity are just one prompt away. Are you ready to take the next step and explore the power of AI? 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. Whether you're asking it a question, writing an email, creating content, or solving a problem, ChatGPT can do it all. It's designed to respond naturally to prompts, making it feel like you're talking to a real person. What makes it so powerful is its ability to learn from vast amounts of data and provide helpful, relevant responses in seconds. 2. How does it work? ChatGPT is based on a deep learning model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It was trained on massive amounts of text from books, websites, and other online content to learn how humans write and speak. As a result, it can predict and generate responses based on what you type. With each new version like GPT-4 and GPT-4o, the AI becomes smarter, faster, and more capable of handling complex tasks with better accuracy. 3. Why ChatGPT matters. The real power of ChatGPT lies in its versatility and ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from it. Students use it for learning and writing assignments. Professionals rely on it for productivity, emails, and research. Creators use it for brainstorming and content generation. Developers even use it for coding help. It's a tool that adapts to your needs, saving time, boosting creativity, and enhancing efficiency. 4. Is it safe to use? OpenAI has built-in safety features to ensure ChatGPT is as helpful and ethical as possible. While it's not perfect and can sometimes make mistakes, it is constantly improving. Users are advised to verify important information and use the tool responsibly, especially when it comes to sensitive or personal content. With the right use, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful and safe tool for learning and creation. 5. The future of AI is in your hands. ChatGPT represents a major leap forward in the way we interact with technology. It's not just a chatbot, it's a digital assistant, a learning partner, and a creative tool. As AI continues to grow, tools like ChatGPT will play a central role in education, business, communication, and more. The best part: it's available to everyone. The future of artificial intelligence is here, and it's literally in your hands. Imagine having a tool that can write, solve problems, answer questions, and even help you brainstorm creative ideas. All in seconds. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real. It's called ChatGPT, and it's changing the world. In this video, I'll explain what ChatGPT is, how it works, and why it represents the future of artificial intelligence. Right in the palm of your hand. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot that understands and generates human-like language. You can ask it questions, get help with writing, code a program, translate languages, and so much more. Lightbulb, it's powered by a technology called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That's a fancy way of saying it has learned from massive amounts of data and knows how to respond like a human would. ChatGPT was trained on billions of words from books, articles, websites, and more. It doesn't think like a human, but it analyzes patterns in language to predict the best possible response. Speaking head, for example, if you say, "Write a poem about the future," it understands what a poem is, what the future means, and then generates a creative response in seconds. It's like talking to someone who has read every book on the internet. What makes ChatGPT truly powerful is how useful it is in everyday life. Students use it to study, professionals use it to write emails and reports, marketers use it to generate content, and developers use it to write and fix code. Artist palette, even creatives are using it to come up with ideas for stories, social media posts, or video scripts, just like this one. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you work smarter, not harder. Mobile phone with arrow. And best of all, it's accessible. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just type what you need, and ChatGPT responds instantly. Now let's talk about safety. ChatGPT is designed with built-in safeguards to reduce harmful or misleading content. But it's not perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes or give outdated information, so always double-check important facts. Compass, use it responsibly, and remember, it's a tool to support your thinking, not replace it. With smart use, ChatGPT becomes an incredible partner for learning, working, and creating. We are living in the early days of a major AI revolution, and ChatGPT is just the beginning. It's not just a trend. It's a new way of interacting with technology. Hand with finger splayed. The most exciting part? Puts the power of artificial intelligence directly in your hands. Whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or just curious, You now have access to the tools that are shaping the future. Clapperboard, so go ahead, explore it, create with it, and make the most of it. The future of AI is no longer coming. It's already here, and it starts with you. Thanks for watching.